You like that? Huh? Al, don't do it. Don't do it. You gotta leave my pillows alone now. Ellie, how are you doing? Hey, hey, don't chew it. You fluffing your pillow? You fluffing your pillow? Ow. Don't chew it, Elle. Don't chew it. Yeah. Let's do this. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Oops, sorry. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, Ellie, come here. What we got? We got birthday toys? Huh? Do we have birthday toys? Yes, we do. Alright, sit. Now, which one do we want first? Oops, that's packaging. Here, want that? Okay, we like that? Is that good? Alright, another one? You have another one? Sit. Gosh, dog. Sit. I know. Your little paws are just doing a Snoopy dance, aren't they? Okay. And we show again. Ellie, what's this? What's this? Whoa, sit. You love these. This is going to be all over the floor in 1 hour's time. There you go, it's yours. Take it. Oh, Danny, we're having a birthday party without you. Do you like that? So quick you're making a draft, Ellie. Yay! Happy birthday, Ellie! Okay, you have fun destroying that. I'm gonna order I'm gonna order some Papa John's pizza. And I'm not gonna share with you. Although I did buy you some doggy treats that are called Pizza Bites. So in a way, you're gonna be sharing with me. Okay? Ellie. Out. Out. Hey. Sweetheart. Look up. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm just chew the crap out of this. Okay, say bye, Daddy. Happy birthday to us.